Hey guys, Claudia from Claudia's Cucina. So today I want to teach you guys a blackberry cashew smoothie bowl in our Deluxe Cooking Blender. So we're going to go ahead and assemble the ingredients here. We have them already laid out. So you need a 1/4 cup of milk, any milk you like. This is actually almond milk I made in the blender as well, just yesterday. Then a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. All right, well, I'm going to add that. And then another 1/4 cup of unsalted cashews, 1 sliced banana, and then 1 cup of blackberries. So this is supposed to make a blackberry cashew smoothie bowl. Let's see how this goes. So you put it on the smoothie setting, and the smoothie setting takes 1 minute. Hear the beep? It is done. So 1 minute is over. I love this color. It's like a really pretty color. So here we go, 1 minute, and this makes 1 serving. So if you want more, you could definitely double it. And I don't know about you guys, but we have a local store here that makes these smoothie bowls, and they're definitely not cheap. Okay, so this definitely looks weird, right? It looks like a purple soup, but it's actually a smoothie bowl. So it's like a smoothie, but it has a little thicker consistency, so you can actually eat it with a spoon. Isn't that pretty? Yay! Here's our blackberry cashew smoothie bowl.